Hello and welcome to Techni-Lux training. Today we're going to do a quick primer on DMX. There's a lot of confusion about DMX and how it works in the world, so we're going to go over some of the components you need to make your system work. The simplest system is going to use a fixture and a controller. To get between them, we're going to need a DMX cable. The problem is there are a couple of different conventions in DMX data connectors. What I mean by that is you can either have a 3-pin connector or a 5-pin connector. DMX industry standard does call for a 5-pin connector. However, to make things easier over time, some of the manufacturers do use 3-pin. It's a very simple conversion. You can get a wired converter that goes from 3-pin to 5-pin, or you can even get a tumbler style converter. So what I'm going to need to do to connect this console to this fixture is use an adapter and a cable. What we're going to do is take our adapter straight out of the 3-pin fixture, run it into a standard 5-pin cable, and run that cable straight into the output of my console. Now, if we have more fixtures, we can either daisy chain or run additional cables out of the output of this one to the next. The convention says that we do not run more than 30 fixtures one to the other. At that point, we're going to need a splitter. This is a standard DMX splitter. It actually regenerates the DMX signal. It takes our DMX in, runs it out through 4 additional ports. This one also offers both 3-pin and 5-pin out, so it also functions as an adapter. So with this system, I can now run out of my controller into the splitter, out to separate fixtures. I like to split the system as many times as I can. It gives me more redundancy and backup. That's the basic rule of DMX, with one big exception: DMX cable. DMX cable is a data cable, not an audio cable. DMX is a data signal. We do not want to be using microphone cables because microphone cables are shielded audio cable. We want to use data cable. You can even use Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable in a pinch. It is perfectly acceptable. Thank you, and if you have any questions, please give us a call.